Hello my dear children, how are you all? Hope you all are well and good. Ma'am is back again with a new video and that is from EVS. A very good morning to all of you. And our new topic is electrical appliances. Let's know about it. Nowadays our life is so busy and we want something what and which should help us instantly and very quickly. But what is that? Yes, these are electrical appliances. So it helps us and it makes our lives easier and comfortable. So children, today we are going to know about the electrical appliances, how it works on electricity and how it helps us and how it makes our life easier. Okay? So let's see in detail.
Electrical appliances. Now ma'am will show you some images that almost everyone have seen or have at your home. This is a refrigerator, commonly known as a fridge. And yes, you all know that it is used to keep the vegetables, food and drinks cool and fresh for longer time. And this is a television. And you all enjoy watching your favorite cartoons, right? Now what is this? Yes, a tube light. And when do we switch on the tube light? When it is dark or at night, we switch on the tube light ताकि ये पूरे घर में रोशनी दे सके. And we also use bulb to light our house. Now this is a fan and AC. And what are these used for? They are used to keep us cool when we feel hot. Now tell me, what is this? This is a washing machine. And your mama washes clothes in this washing machine, right? What is this? A mixer and a blender. And both these are used to grind the food, or it is also used to make juice and chutney. Mama इसमें juice और chutney बनाती है ना? Right. And kids, you all know this is a computer. A computer, laptop, mobile, all these are the machines where we can get all the information. And yes, you also play games, watch movies, listen to music, and nowadays you also study in these type of gadgets, right? And do you know, children, all these gadgets comes along with a charger. चार्ज किए बिना क्या ये वर्क कर सकता है? नहीं ना? And you all are very clever. You know how to operate these gadgets, right? Kids, this is an iron. And it is used to iron the clothes. Mama आपके clothes iron करती है ना so that you look smart. Now, microwave oven in which Mama prepares tasty food. It is also used to make pizza, burger, yummy, your favorite food, and it is also used to bake a cake. और इसमें हम खाना गरम भी कर सकते हैं. Right, kids? Can you see? Kids, you know why these appliances are called electrical appliances? Because all these appliances work on electricity. And for operating any of these appliances, there is a switch. All these appliances are very useful in our daily life, but you need to be very careful while operating these appliances. You all must have seen a switchboard at your home, right? Children, do not touch the switchboard because you are too small for that. Do not touch the switchboard with wet hands. Do not put your finger or any sharp object in the socket. Do not pull a plug by its wire or cord. Never play or fly kites near power poles or power lines. Do not use electrical things near any water sources. And if you see a broken wire, don't touch it and tell your parents. Do not play with the wire or you may get shock. If you see any switch that is on, ask your parents or any elders to switch them off. And also, during unplugging any charger, do not do it on your own. Take help of your parents. Do not touch the hot part of iron and bulb or you may burn your hand. So kids, you have to be very careful. This is for your own safety. See kids, this is your Enjoy Learning Environmental Studies textbook. We also call it as EVS textbook, right? And in this, what you have to do? Open page number 7070. See, the page number is written in this small box, right? And here, what you have to do? Read the heading, Electrical Appliances. Electricity helps us to use many appliances at home. इसका मतलब ये है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की वजह से ये सारे appliances घर पे वर्क करते हैं. They make our life easy, जिससे हमारे सारे काम आसान हो जाते हैं. Now let us read out once the electrical appliances. So ready kids? Refrigerator, tube light, television, bulb, fan, washing machine, mixer grinder, computer, iron, microwave oven. Got it kids? Now kids, let's draw some pictures of electrical appliances in our book. So ready?
So first we will give the heading, Electrical Appliances. Now we will draw 4 pictures of electrical appliances. Now we will start with the first picture. We will draw a fan. Yes, a fan works on electricity. And you must have learned how to draw a fan in your A sound words. Yes kids? So we will draw a fan. Yes, a fan works on electricity. So it is an electrical appliance. So we will draw a fan like this. Yes. Now the fan is switched on. So we will make some curved lines like this. Okay. Now we will draw a bulb. Yes. A bulb also works on electricity. So we will make a small rectangle. Yes, like this. And then we will make a curve. This is a bulb. You must have seen a bulb. Yes, kids? Then we will make some dots like this and some circles at the corner of this rectangle. And this line indicates that the bulb is glowing. Okay, kids? So it is also an electrical appliance. Now we will draw a mixer grinder. Yes, you must have seen in your kitchen. Right, kids? So we will make slanting lines and then a slipping line, a big slipping line, and then we will join it with a standing line. And now we will make a mixer jar. Yes, this is a mixer jar with a lid. Yes, in which you put some food items and we can grind food or a liquid item. We can make juice as well. And this is a wire with a plug. Yes, so it works on electricity. So this is a mixer grinder. Now we will draw a picture of a refrigerator. Yes, that we can see in the kitchen. So we will make a rectangle like this with a slipping line. This is the upper part and this is the lower part. So this is a refrigerator. It has a wire with a plug that works on electricity. So these are the 4 pictures of electrical appliance you have to practice at your home. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.